Hello and welcome to AdvancedRx tutorial video. In this video, we'll be looking at manage prescriber and manage drug. So let's get started. Manage prescriber and manage drug both can be found in the master tab. So let's look at the manage prescriber tab. When you go to manage prescriber, there are three options. One is prescriber master, for which we have a detailed video. Then you have merge prescriber and search online prescribers. So let's look at merge prescriber. When you click on merge prescriber, you get two options: from prescriber and to prescriber. So what you do is you enter something into the, like for example, if you think there are duplicate prescribers, what you can do is you can type the from prescriber, you can type the to prescriber, and can merge both of them. Okay, so from prescriber, the data copies into the to prescriber and they both become one. Okay, now similarly, let's look at search online prescribers. So this is the online prescriber directory. What you can do is you can go ahead and search with NPI. You can go and search with last name, first name, zip, phone, state. Okay, and once you get a record, what you can do is you can select, and then add prescriber to the database, which makes it very, very easy. All right, so this is manage prescriber. Let's look at manage drug now. Now in manage drug, you have drug master, for which we have a complete video, detailed video of drug master. Let's look at search online drug. It's similar to online prescriber directory. It's the drug database, the drug directory. What you can do is you can enter the drug name or NDC, and let's take an example. For example, if I type this and hit search, it would give up all the drugs related to this this name. And what you can do is you can just click on them and you can import them. All right, so it's going to take some time to populate the list of the drugs. Once it's get populated, what we can do is we can go and select them and you can import them. Okay, and it would, in case if it is already exists, it would say it's already exists. If it is does not, it would say you can go ahead and import it. All right, yeah, so that's how it works. Okay, in managed drug, you have an option for price check. What you can do is you can check the price of a particular drug and create a record of here and check the total cost and total price of that drug. You can add multiple drugs. Okay, so there is no limit to it. You can check the AWP cost and the retail price, both of them. Okay, and then in managed drug, you have a drug formula. So drug formula is basically for the compounding, where you can go ahead and create your own drug formula. You have to enter all the details like NDC, the formula name, the master formula, the size, the unit, the class, the type, and rest like barcode, UPC, and so on and so forth. Okay, and similarly, you can also go and create the compound. For this, you can go and enter the compound details here, like you can enter the dispensing unit form, you can enter the dosage form, description code. You can export a compound, you can print a compound info, you can clear if there is already a compound made and make your own. You can select the drug that you want to add and then just add it and create your own compound here. Okay, so this is price check and drug formula. I'm sorry. Then you have drug price catalog received from WH is wholesalers. Through EDI, we do EDI implementation for automatic drug invoice. So here you can check the list of all the catalogs that you have received from the wholesaler via EDI, and similarly in the same option you can check the drug and the OTCs that is received through EDI. Okay, the whole list would be populated here. Okay, so that's how you can go ahead and check what have you received from the wholesaler. Okay, so this was the video tutorial for manage prescriber and manage drug, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.